Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure the basics won't block sound. First, charge the watch above 20% and remove silent or theater mode so sounds can play. Once done, open Control Center and raise volume. Watch speakers are controlled locally. Next, check audio routing. Toggle Bluetooth and AirPlay because sometimes the watch sends audio to your iPhone or AirPods instead. Also glance at Do Not Disturb. Even short timers can mute alerts. These quick steps clear most simple issues fast. Now you perform deeper checks. Open Settings Sounds and Haptics and press the ringer test so you hear exactly what the speaker does. This reveals hardware versus software faults. Then trigger audio from multiple sources, Siri, a timer, and a phone call to isolate which channel fails. If problems persist, update Watch OS and iOS because firmware bugs often break audio. After updating, restart both devices. A fresh boot reloads drivers and Bluetooth stacks, which commonly restores proper sound routing. Finish with corrective actions that fix stubborn problems. First, unpair and repair the watch to reset the Bluetooth profile. That often restores audio. If repairing fails, back up and choose Erase all content and settings, then Restore from backup. This clears persistent software corruption. If sound still fails, book Apple support or an Apple Store visit because a clogged or damaged speaker may need cleaning or replacement. Troubleshooting tip: try a force restart. Hold both buttons for 10-15 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.